Let's have another example. Now here, instead of these 2, we got 3. Now let's first try a equals to 0 in order to see if a is a factor of this. So this would be 0, this would be b cubed, and this would be c cubed minus c cubed, so it is not 0. How about b minus c equal to 0? So this would be 0, or as in the previous example, b equals to 0, b equals to c. Here we could substitute c into b or b into c, no difference. So let's substitute c into b. This would be c cubed, c minus a plus c cubed, a minus c. Again here c cubed, this is c minus a, this is a minus c. This is the negative of this, so this is 0. Then b minus c is a factor of this. Since it is symmetrical, then a minus c and a minus b also should be factors of this. Now let's look for another factors. This is of the degree of 4. Okay, for instance, the terms look like this. This is degree of 4, and this is of the degree of 3. For instance, and for this kind of problems, we should do the multiplications. Maybe some terms, not here, but in more complicated problems, with so many terms on parentheses, maybe some terms cancel each other out and the degree become reduced. So, but not here. Here the degree of this is 4 and the degree of this is 3. So we should have some, for instance, here we got ba squared. Okay, so the other factor should be a or b or c, so makes the degree equal to 4. But if, or for instance, a linear combination like a plus b, or say a plus 1, something like this. But if we got one of these 3 factors according to symmetry, we also here should have a plus c and b plus c, here b plus 1, c plus 1. Okay, and that increases the degree of this, but not by 1. For instance, here the degree increasing by 3, here by 3 again. Okay, and here if a, b, the other factors, we also should have b and c, and the degree, the total degree would be 3 here and 3 here, 6. But the degree of this is 4. So the we should have this kind of things, and in order to become, in order to remain symmetric, the other factor should be in the form of this, a plus b plus c. Degree of this is 1, degree of this is 3, so the degree of this side would be also 4. And plus some numerical factor, which by substituting some number like 1 into a and b and c as before, we could find the value of m. Okay,